નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we will study the question number 3 of exercise 12.1. This is the topic of standard 10 chapter number 12 areas related to circle. So the question is, here we have given an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from center onwards, the gold, red, blue, black and white. These are the 5 regions of the scoring. The diameter of the region representing the gold score is 21 centimeter. So the diameter of this gold portion, it is a circle and its diameter we have given the 21 centimeter. All the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. So here we have to find the area of, first of all, the area of this gold region, then the area of this red region, then the area of blue region, area of the black region and area of the white region. So let us first of all find out the area of this gold region. For this gold region, we have given the diameter is equals to 21 centimeter. So we can take the radius. Radius, we know that diameter upon 2. So here we get the radius is equals to 21 upon 2 centimeter. This radius is for the gold, so we can take here the RG, that is the radius of the gold region, and that is equals to 21 upon 2 centimeter. Now we know that to find out the area, we have the formula, that is area of gold region, that is the area of the circle, and that is the formula is pi r square. Now the value of the pi, here we have to take the 22 upon 7. So the pi is 22 upon 7 r square. That means we have to take this r value twice. Now let us subtract, let us calculate what is the value we get. 7 3s are 21. Now 2 11s are 22. Now here we have 11 into 3 into 21 upon 2. So here 21 into 3, that is equals to 11 into 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 63. And the multiplication with 11 is, we can write down as a 3 ones are 3 and 9 and 6 ones are 6. 693 upon 2. This is the area of the gold region and the unit will be the centimeter square. Right? This is the area represented by the gold region. Here we can take the answer, we can keep the answer as it is, or we have to convert it. Let us convert it into the decimal numbers, right? So if we divide this with the 2, what is the value we get here? See, first of all divide this 3 with 3. So 3 twos are 6. Now 2 fours are 8. 1 is the remainder 13. So 2 6 are 12. Now 1 is the remainder. We can put the decimal point and 0. So 2 5s are 10. So this is the value 346.5 centimeter square. This is the formula. This is the area of this gold region. Now let us find out the radius for the red region. So RR. Now see, here we have given that each of the band, this band has length, this much of the length is 10.5 centimeter, right? That is 10.5 centimeter. So whatever the radius, if we calculate from this point, center of the gold, to this point, we have to add this 10.5 to the radius of the gold region. So the radius of the gold region RG is 21 upon 2, or we can say that the 10.5 centimeter. So 10.5 plus this much is the radius of the gold. Now 10.5 band is of 10.5 centimeter. So the total here we get is 21 centimeter. Right? 10.5 plus 10.5, that is equals to 21 centimeter. This is the radius of this red region. Now see, area of the red region is this much only. So first of all we have to find out the area of the total circle, then we have to subtract the area of the gold region. Then only we get the area of the red region. So here let us find out the area of red region. Area of red region is equals to, first of all we have to calculate the area of this circle covered by the red region, then we have to subtract the area of gold region. Then only we can find out the area of the band, right? So this is 22 upon 7, radius is 21, so 2 times we have to write the 21 minus area of the gold region, that is 346.5. Now let us calculate. 7 3s are 21. Now multiply this 22, 3 and 21, right? So here we get the 22 into 3 to the 6, 3 1 the 3, 63 minus 3, 46.5. So 22 into 63, that is the 22 into 63. 0, 6 to the 12, 13 plus 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, 6, 7, 8, 3, 1, 3, 8, 6, right? 1386 minus 346.5. So here we have to subtract the 346.5, right? So here we have to put the decimal point. We can take the 10 as a carry. So here we have to find 5, but again we have to take 15. Here we can take the 7. So here 5, then 8, 6 and 15, that is 9, then 7 minus 4 is 3, 0, 1, 1039.5, 1039.5 centimeters square. So this is the area of the region, red region. In the same way, now we can find out the radius for this blue region. So radius of blue region we represent as RB. Now how we can write down the RB? See, first of all we have, now here we have to add the radius of the red, that is RR, and radius of the red is 21 centimeter, and this 21 centimeter. Now again we have to add the 10.5 centimeter, because again this region, this slot is of 10.5 centimeter wide. So the total radius, gold plus red plus blue. So gold, that is radius of the gold is 10.5, then the radius of red is 10.5, again 10.5 we have to add. So here the total value of the radius we get is equals to 31.5 centimeter. 31.5 centimeter. Now here we can calculate the area of blue region. So first of all we have to find out the area of that circle with the radius blue, and then we have to subtract the area that we get here for the this much of the area we have to subtract, that is covered by the red region. So the area covered by the red region is pi r square, and that the value we get here is 1386. 1386, right? So let us calculate here now. Pi is 22 upon 7. Radius of this blue region is 315. Now we can take is 315 upon 10 into 315 upon 10. And now we have to subtract minus 1386. Right? Okay. Here we can also simplify this equation. We can also simplify this by taking the area of this red region, that is pi RB square minus area covered by this red region. Area covered by the blue region, that is RB square minus area covered by this red region, that is RB RR square. So pi is the common. So here we get the RB square minus RR square. Now pi is 22 upon 7. What is RB? That is the radius of the blue, 31.5 whole square minus radius of the red region, that is 21 centimeter. Now here we can apply this identity, that is 22 upon 7. In one bracket there is addition and one bracket there is subtraction. Plus 21. So 22 upon 7 remains as it is. 31.5 minus 21, that is 10.5, and here we get the 0.5 as it is. 2 and 3 plus 2, 5, 52.5. Right? Now here we can take 22 upon 7 into 105 upon 10, 52.5 on 10. Now let us cut this 7 and 105. We can cut it. 15 sevens are 105. Okay, now here we have 22 into 15 into 525 upon 100. So we can cut it. 5 2s are 10 and 11 2s are 22. We can cut this 5 with 5 3s are 20. So here we have 11 3s are 33 into 525. So 525 into 33, that is 0. 5 3s are 15, 1 is the carry, 3 2s are 6, 7, 5 3s are 15, plus 5 3s are 15, 1 is the carry, 3 2s are 6, 7, 5 and 1. So 7 plus 5 12, 2, 1 is the carry, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 1 is the carry, 5, 6, 7 and 1. And here we get this 17,325, but there is 10 is in the denominator. So we get the 1,732.5 centimeter square. That is the area of the blue region. Right? Now for the red region, for the black region, we can write down the radius of the black. If we take here RB, then blue has the RB. So here let us take the black. Radius of the black. Now radius of the black, that is we have to add the radius of this blue, that is 31.5 plus 10.5. So the total we get is equals to 31 plus 10, 41 and 1, that is 42 centimeter. So now from here, now it is for you to calculate further sum. How? Now you can calculate the area of this black region. Area of the black region you can calculate by first of all taking the area of this black region, that is black circle, that is R pi B pi radius of the black pi R black pi R square. Pi R square. This is the area by this covered by this total black region, total area. From that, now we have to subtract, that is the area covered by not the blue region, by the blue circle, that is pi R B square. The same thing that we have done here, the same thing you can do here and calculate the area of the region. In the same way, you can calculate the area of this white region. So this is for your exercise, right? So now in this way we can solve this type of the question. This is all about this lecture. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.